Have you ever wondered where the concept of artificial intelligence originated? Long before the first computer was even a glimmer in the human imagination, the seeds of AI were planted in our ancient myths and legends. Tales of animated statues, intelligent machines, and thinking beings crafted from non-living materials can be traced back to the stories of ancient Greece, Egypt, and India. But it was not until the mid-20th century that the concept of AI as we know it began to take shape. A key figure in this journey was British mathematician and logician Alan Turing. In the 1950s, Turing proposed a test, aptly named the Turing test, to measure a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent or indistinguishable from that of a human. This was a groundbreaking moment that set the stage for the development of AI. Fast forward to the 1980s, and we witnessed the birth of machine learning. This is a type of AI that allows computers to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. It was a radical shift in the approach to AI, moving from rule-based systems to ones that could adapt and learn. Throughout the 90s and into the new millennium, AI continued to evolve and grow. With the advent of big data and the exponential increase in computational power, AI began to move from the realm of academia and research into the mainstream. In the 2010s, deep learning, a subset of machine learning, took the world by storm. Inspired by the structure and function of the human brain, deep learning algorithms use artificial neural networks to learn from vast amounts of data. This has resulted in significant advancements in fields such as natural language processing, image recognition, and autonomous vehicles. From the folklore of antiquity to the supercomputers of today, the journey of AI has been one of relentless curiosity, innovation, and discovery. It has transformed from a fantastical concept to a powerful tool that is revolutionizing industries and shaping the future of humanity. From a mere concept to a revolutionary technology, AI has indeed come a long way. But how does this fascinating technology actually work, you may ask? Well, let's start with the basic principles. Artificial intelligence, or AI, operates on a foundation of algorithms and data. It's like a recipe, but instead of ingredients and steps, you have data and instructions. The more data you feed into the AI, the better it becomes at making predictions or decisions. This process is known as machine learning. Now let's delve a little deeper. Imagine a web of interconnected nodes, each node representing a tiny piece of information. This web is called a neural network, inspired by the human brain's own network of neurons. The magic happens when these networks are layered on top of each other, creating what we call deep learning. Through deep learning, AI can sift through mountains of data, find patterns, and make decisions, much like how we learn from experience. Just as our brains learn from experience, so too does AI, albeit in a more systematic and data-driven way. AI isn't just one thing. It takes on many forms and serves many purposes. Let's delve into the various types of AI that exist today. On one end, we have narrow AI, designed to excel at a specific task, like your voice-activated assistant who's always eager to tell you the weather. Then, there's general AI, the kind of AI that can perform any intellectual task a human can. It's like a digital polymath, a jack of all trades. But unlike humans, it's master of all. It's not fully realized yet, but scientists and engineers are tirelessly working to bring it to fruition. In between these two, we have a broad spectrum of AI types, each with its unique abilities and applications. From chatbots to autonomous vehicles, from predictive analytics to creative arts, AI is making its presence felt in countless ways. Whether it's recommending your next movie or driving your car, AI is already making its mark. From healthcare to finance, AI is transforming industries far and wide. The healthcare industry is embracing this change, with AI systems assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases and even predicting patient health risks. In the finance sector, AI is the new financial advisor. It's analyzing market trends, making predictions, and helping investors make informed decisions. But it's not just these sectors. In agriculture, AI is helping farmers optimize crop yields and manage resources more efficiently. In the automotive industry, self-driving cars are no longer a thing of the future, but a reality today, thanks to AI. Even the education sector is getting a taste of AI with personalized learning experiences and automated administrative tasks. However, this transformation is not without challenges. Data privacy concerns, job displacement fears, and the need for robust regulations are some of the obstacles that need addressing. Nevertheless, the potential benefits far outweigh these challenges. In every sector, AI is changing the game, paving the way for unprecedented innovation. But what does the future hold for this revolutionary technology? As we look ahead, the potential impacts of AI are both exhilarating and daunting. On the one hand, AI promises to transform our world, powering advancements in healthcare, education, and energy management. Imagine a future where AI algorithms help doctors diagnose diseases with unparalleled accuracy, or where smart grids balance energy consumption to minimize our carbon footprint. Yet, on the flip side, AI also presents significant challenges. Job displacement is a very real concern as automation takes over tasks traditionally performed by humans. Ethical dilemmas abound too, as we grapple with questions of privacy, bias, and accountability in AI systems. In the end, the future of AI is not predestined. It's a journey that we're charting together as a society. We have the power to shape this technology, to harness its potential for good while mitigating its risks. Like any powerful tool, AI is a double-edged sword. Its impact will depend on how we wield it. When we talk about AI, we often picture robots. But what role does AI really play in robotics? It's a symphony of design and code. Robotics is the body, and AI is the brain. It's not just about automation, but also about advanced robotics, systems that can learn, adapt, and make decisions. Picture a factory line where robots tirelessly assemble products. They're using AI, but not just to repeat tasks. They're learning, optimizing, improving efficiency. Now envision a Mars rover millions of miles away making split-second decisions based on AI algorithms. That's advanced robotics. But let's address the elephant in the room, the fear that robots will replace us, take our jobs, or even rule over us. It's a common misconception. Robots are tools, not overlords. They're here to amplify our abilities, not to usurp us. Robots may be the face of AI, but it's the intelligence behind them that truly matters. AI is about augmenting human potential, not replacing it. Will AI ever rule over humans? It's a question that has sparked much debate and speculation. As we stand on the brink of a new era, the concept of AI surpassing human intelligence, famously known as the singularity, seems less science fiction and more a possibility. Imagine a world where machines can outthink us, solve complex problems faster, and potentially even develop a consciousness of their own. It's an exciting prospect, offering limitless possibilities. But it's also a cautionary tale that asks us to tread carefully. In the optimistic view, this could lead to unprecedented advancements. Diseases could be eradicated, climate change reversed, and even death could become a relic of the past. But on the flip side, what happens when we're no longer the smartest beings on the planet? Could we become obsolete or even worse, a threat to our own creation? Whether AI will ever rule over us remains to be seen. But one thing is certain. AI will continue to shape our world in profound ways. AI isn't just about futuristic scenarios, it's already solving problems here and now. Take a moment to consider the vast scope of complex issues we face as a society. From diagnosing diseases to predicting climate changes, AI is stepping in to offer solutions. For instance, in the field of medicine, AI algorithms are being trained to read and interpret medical images with a level of accuracy comparable to human doctors. This is not only speeding up diagnostics, but also making them more accessible to remote or underserved communities. Then there's the issue of climate change. AI is being used to create predictive models that help us understand the impact of our actions on the environment. These models are invaluable tools in our fight against global warming. AI is also making strides in areas like language translation, enhancing accessibility, and breaking down communication barriers across cultures. AI is more than a futuristic concept. It's a tool that's helping us tackle our biggest challenges today. As we look to the future, one thing is clear. AI is no longer just a vision, it's a reality. It's shaping our lives in ways we couldn't have imagined a few decades ago. From powering our smart devices to making critical decisions in healthcare, AI's influence is everywhere. But as we stand at the cusp of this new era, it's crucial to remember that with great power comes great responsibility. AI is a tool, a powerful one, but a tool nonetheless. It's up to us to use it ethically, with consideration for the broader implications on society. As we continue to push the boundaries of what AI can do, let's keep in mind that the key to a successful future with AI lies in our hands. It's about more than just the technology itself. The future of AI is not just about technology. It's about us, our choices, and how we navigate this brave new world.